All right, y'all. Another mystery box. Let's see what's inside this one. Right. See what we got up in here. Box was damaged. Hopefully nothing got messed up. So, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. That caddy. Oh no, that's an Impala. Ooh. That's nice. Alright, that's one. Mustang. That's special about this one. It's a nice Mustang though. Alright. Another one. Ooh, I like this one right here though. I can't tell me this ain't nice. That Blazer. With the top off. What else we got here? You know who this is, huh? The Transformer. Optimus Prime. That's nice. It looks like I got two of them. Another one. Nice. Those two. It's the last package. Let's see what's in this. That Tesla quad. Nice. And you know, I had to get the Cybertruck. Which Hot Wheel do you like? Which one's the best, you think? Which one you like the best? Out of all of them, should I say. Tesla, the Quad, and the Blazer, the Mustang, the Impala, or the Optimus Prime. That's it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Definitely will post some more videos. But if you like, hit that follow button, subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost anything. Show some love, some support. And I'll get back to you. Peace.